In this video, I'm going to show you how to summarize a research paper with ChatGPT. Now, in this age of AI, we're going to utilize ChatGPT more often, and I'm going to show you how you can improve your chances of being able to understand research paper better. So here in ChatGPT, you just go ahead and click attach file here, upload from your computer, and then go ahead and choose that paper. So say, for example, this one, I'm going to go ahead and ask ChatGPT to summarize this one. All right, there you go. So this is the prompt that I'm going to be using. I'm going to go ahead and hit the enter here. So as you can see, it's reading this one. When it comes to summarizing paragraphs or research papers, whatever, with ChatGPT, it is very important for us to be specific. Otherwise, we could end up getting answers where we don't need it. All right, so it seems like we are done. You will know that when you are done when you are seeing this one here. So yeah, since we are done, you can go ahead and basically just read through here. And yeah, that is how simple it is to do this. Thanks for watching. I hope this video helps you out.